a 2006 Lexus LS430 came to us for a complete restoration. After full paint correction, a fresh respray interior seat, refinishing, and a deep cleaning inside and out, it was brought back to life, looking almost brand new. Watch how we restored this classic to its former glory in just 2 months. Enough talk, let's start by stripping the car down, beginning with the door panels and interior trim. Every clip and screw removed during disassembly is carefully sorted, labeled, and stored. The badges and trim pieces are also packed separately and set aside for restoration later. The taillights have become cloudy and oxidized over time, so they will be polished and restored along with the headlights later. Next, our electrical technician steps in to remove the instrument cluster and center dashboard. With a tight schedule, every part that needs restoration is repaired at the same time. Meanwhile, the remaining body shell is sent to the paint shop for a complete exterior refinishing. Before starting the paint restoration, we first remove all the old asphalt undercoating from the floor pan using dry ice blasting, which cleans it off without damaging the surface. After the base coat has fully cured, we apply a premium BASF clear coat from Germany to protect the finish and restore the deep glossy look and factory quality of the original paint. Once the paint has fully cured, the surface goes through multiple stages of polishing and refinement. Using a professional paint polishing compound, we restore a deep mirror-like finish that brings back the car's classic factory shine. Our interior restoration team is refurbishing the seats. The process begins with a thorough deep cleaning using a specially formulated leather cleaner and professional detailing tools to remove years of dirt and grime from the surface before the restoration work begins. The dissolved dirt is wiped away with a clean dry towel, while any stubborn stains that remain are gently scrubbed with a soft bristle brush to restore the leather without causing damage. After the leather seats are thoroughly cleaned, They are placed in a dedicated drying room to remove any remaining surface moisture. Next, we move on to the interior carpet, first using a lint roller to remove loose fibers and debris before applying a specialized foam cleaner for a deep clean. In classic car judging around the world, originality is one of the most important factors. That is why we always follow the principle of restoring each vehicle as close to factory condition as possible, while preserving its original components whenever we can. After matching the leather color to the factory specification, we begin repairing the damaged areas of the seats to restore their original appearance. The first step is to cut away the torn section of the genuine leather along with the surrounding aged and weakened material to create a solid foundation for the repair. After smoothing the repaired area with fine sandpaper, we apply a professional leather repair compound to fill any remaining gaps and create a seamless surface for the final finish. The grain texture is recreated and the color is carefully blended, the damaged section of the seat is fully restored with a factory-like finish. We reach the last step of the full restoration, the final assembly. One by one, every restored component is carefully reinstalled, bringing the car back together piece by piece. The interior team completes the final installation, and with that, this Lexus LS430 restoration is officially finished. Now let's take a look at the final result and see how the car has been brought back to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.